Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the TradingView app not showing charts. Blank chart, no screen visible. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. Step 1 is to update the application. You can simple close the application. Then after you can open the Google Play Store. Then after go to search bar and type TradingView. Then after once you type here TradingView, you can simple tap on it. Okay, and then here you will find a new update. If you don't have a new update, don't worry. And if you found, you can simple tap the update button to update the application. Step 2 is to clear the app cache and data. You can close the Play Store. Now long press on the application icon. Then after go to app information. Then here you can simple scroll down, click on storage and then clear the cache. After that, you can simple close the application completely and then reopen the app again. Okay. The step 3 is you can simple check the internet connection. So sometimes when the airplane mode is on or you have a less internet connection, then after the chart may not be load. So here you can simple switch the network between your mobile data and the Wi-Fi, or you can try to change the Wi-Fi network. And the last step is you can simple reinstall the application. You can close the application, long press on it. Once you long press, then after you can simple click on uninstall and then reinstall the app using your App Store or Google Play Store. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.